Talavera is a type of pottery made in Mexico, mainly in the state of Puebla. It is always colorful and beautiful. And today we're going to make our own Talavera tiles. Are you ready? Let's start. Choose the design you'll like to do. Turn it over and with a pencil, color the back of the design completely. Place the design on top of the tile. Lightly trace the outline of the design with a pencil. Now that the outline is visible on the tile, begin coloring with your markers. And there you have it, your own Talavera tile. I hope you made it really colorful and I hope you had a lot of fun making these Talavera tiles. I will see you next time. Bye!
Dos Manos Craft Kits.
To see more Dos Manos kits, go to www.teachersdiscovery.com and type in Dos Manos in the search bar.